When a brand as storied as Land O'Lakes talks digital transformation, the company's knowledge and experience reveals a deeper understanding of how consumers eat, shop, and build brand loyalty. To prepare its innovation management function for the new paradigm in food manufacturing, Land O'Lakes, one of the world's best-known dairy brands, wanted to ensure new food products were in step with business strategy. The 100-year-old cooperative turned to Sopheon. Together, Land O'Lakes and Sopheon built and implemented a streamlined innovation and portfolio planning process that's tightly connected to strategy.
We now have more quantitative metrics in place to help us inform those decisions. So prioritization decisions for us now are based more on a balance between the art, so subjective factors including time strategy, the portfolio role, customer needs, and science. Quantitative factors, which now include things like net present value and technical resources that are working on the project.
Learn more about how Land O'Lakes and Sopheon work together to increase innovation efficiencies and performance.